Mzansi ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uthando nesithembu likhulile laze lafika la likhona. Le video le angivamile ukwenza ama video kodwa ngithi angiyenze ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi hayi impe engibhekene nayo enkulu. Kodwa ngesikhathi siqala uthando nesithembu sishonga ukuthi konke kuzoba kuhle noma kuzoba kubi. Sathi na ukuthi thina sizonikeza isithembu bese niya decide nina ukuthi niyasifuna isithembu noma nisifuna. But into eyenza ngenze le video ukukhuluma ngoMakhumalo. I've never said uMakhumalo lento enishoyo ngaye. Ngithena mina lento ayiphumele ekhaya imhlulela ukuthi ayenzela kaMseleko. Ungeseka lokho. Because nginomuzo omkhulu. Ikona kuphela engikhuluma ngakho. Manje nina senifaka okunye okuningi. Yazi mina noMakhumalo we are right kakhulu and angikwazi ukufaka abanye abantu mangikhuluma ngaye because labo bantu kuyoba sengathi bakhulu kunoMakhumalo. So that will be unfortunate. But I'm simply saying uMakhumalo lento ayiganile emenza bomesisi Mseleko number 3. Meaning kusho ukuthi lento ayiganile fanele ayeseke iyona kuphela engikhuluma ngayo. Angikhulumi ngokunye lokhu nina enikhuluma ngakho and kuyangitshela mina ukuthi anikho esithembweni because ukube benisisithembweni benizo understand ukuthi uMseleko ukhuluma ngesithembu. But ngiyabonga kakhulu konke lokho elikushoyo kuyasilekelela ekutheni sikwazi ukuya phambili and engathi ningaqhubeka njalo nime nje nina besilo nime nina beqhawe nisilekelela ukuthi
hayibo guys uTata uMusa Mseleko ebengenokwazi ukuvele axolise kwi-nation and uMakhumalo for into ayichiloyo. uTata uMusa Mseleko it means uthi thina sonke i-viewers zothando nesithembu understand isiZulu because uthe yena uMakhumalo is failing to give him what needs to protect their household. So what does now he mean into yoba ebengathethi ngabantwana ebethetha nge-polygamy and sithi esirongo once again i-viewers ngokunga understand uba isithembu sihamba njani. It honestly cannot be that sonke thina i-viewers sive into eyi-one noMakhumalo holding back tears like I said guys. And furthermore guys uMakhumalo is one wife ebemsupporta uTata uMusa Mseleko ade ancamela uba okay it's fine ndizokuncedisa when it comes to building izindlu zabanye abafazi. Le clarification is not it but ke this is what he is saying to us as ke the nation that yena bethetha ngokuba ufeile ukuseka isithembu and not indoba ufeile ukuzala ukumzalela. According to him, isithembu is that thing that uMakhumalo needs to have in order to protect their household. Guys, please make it make sense down on the comment section. Ndizonibona on my next upload. Bye.